This beautiful place is called Danba. It is located in the upper reach of the Yangtze River. I am Chris from Mexico, currently studying in China. Choma is the Tibetan name for girls, and it is an auspicious name. If I were Choma, what would happen and what challenges will be waiting for me? The journey begins immediately. I'm a little bit scared. Actually, I am really scared because of the road. We're going like up the mountain, so it's really like an S, and they say it's really safe, so I'm just gonna try to calm down and just like enjoy the view. Look where I'm right now. I really wish that you can be here with me to see everything that I'm looking at right now. I'm really excited. I'm feeling really emotional. This is something that I never thought I was gonna be able to see. After 6 hours, we already got to our place. I came from so far to meet my friend. Let's see if she's in here.
Hi, Chris.
Hello.
欢迎欢迎。希望我们这2天能在丹巴玩得开心啊。
Thank you. This beautiful Danba girl is my good friend Yang Qing. She is beautiful, elegant, gentle, and knowledgeable. I admire her very much. She brought me into the world of Tibetan girls.
进了这个门的话，就是我们算是正式进入我们村子了。
Why do you have to have a door in here?
因为我们这边有很多猪啊、牛啊那些，要把它关到里面，村里面。
Oh.
你看，像这种牛的话，我们这村里面很多的，所以刚才那个门就是把它们关到村子里面。
Oh, I think it's really cute and scary at the same time. Oh, they're really cute. Oh, and that one is scary. I guess that we gotta be really careful. Oh, that's so new.
我们这边这些路都很窄的以前，然后像这个，我们这边的房子全都是依照这个山势来修的。
And those are, what is that?
那是橘子。
Juice? Orange, okay. Are all the houses in here made of stone?
是的，它那个表面上看上去都是石头砌的，但是它具体有什么方法呢？我也不懂。我们马上就到那个丹增爷爷家了，让他给你解释啊。丹增爷爷，你看 Chris， 丹增爷爷就在那边。
Oh, that's your grandpa.
大老远的辛苦了。
你好。Hello.
哎呀，好。
Grandpa Tenzin is a local prestigious figure. He is simple and has a deep understanding of the local culture. During the conversation, he will remind me of my grandpa.
你们那个地方的天气热吗？
It's really hot in my city. It's really hot. So I think the weather in here, it may be a little bit cold for me. And what I'm wearing may not be enough.
好，这在这边。
Okay.
我们这儿是天气很冷，衣服多穿点哦。我们这儿呢，基本上都是5层楼，然后一层一层的爬上去，要到那个5角点儿，要进入那儿，要慢慢走啊，慢慢走啊，这是。
Looks like I have to go upstairs again. So I am a little bit scared, but I think I can do it.
这几座吊是我们摩罗村的最晚的一批吊。那个8角吊是通过碳十四测定，是840年。
And how many of those towers there are?
统计出来的数字是175座。
Later, we're gonna go to the one that is up in there. Oh, I want you to take a look at this. This is a staircase that they have in here, and I never expect them to be like this.
哦，这都是已经是杂木。
没事，这是可以。
好，是在这。切。哎呀，呵。
That was really not easy, but I think that the view totally worth it. And why do you use this kind of wooden stairs?
我们用这样子的木头，这个呢有小桥，所以就可以收。
我们家以前老年人给我们讲过，就是他们以前非常的穷，然后有敌人来抢东西、抢吃的，还有抢那些家里面的贵重一点的东西，然后他们就把所有的东西全部放到碉楼里面，他们就是这样子保护他们自己。
This place is so calm and so peaceful. From here you can see the trees, you can see the birds, all the buildings, and it's just beautiful. Walking into Danba, the river flow is gentle, the sky is blue, and the sun is warm. All of this is what I expected. If I were a Tibetan girl, I would still choose all this scenery and things that are bold, brave, wild, and beautiful.
Hi, wonder, hello there, you know.
In front of me is one of the three most scenes in Danba Tibetan village, the Diablo. Wow, that's a house of 800 years history. To learn more about it, I followed my grandfather to the Diablo Cultural Museum.
这晚点烟啊。
好。
好，那就上楼梯。这就是我们初步乡讲解最好的、最标准的一个讲解员。
Your house is so historic. It's really beautiful. So I would like to ask you what's the story of this house?
我小时候在这儿长大。
So when I went into the house, I saw there are so many rooms. Like, why would you have like all those rooms for?
这房子就是一个完整的一个碉楼，这个高的一般就是叫碉，旁边这楼就是这个居住的。这个房间是以前我们这儿就是加隆藏族，特别是加隆藏族比较重要的房间。这个房间藏语叫锅庄啊。这个房间是这个既是厨房又是会客的地方。
What's this? Oh, you know, in my country we eat a lot of chili, so this may be really, really good for me.
这里就是我刚才给你说的有好吃的藏餐。
I am dying to try.
你看，婆婆已经在开始给我们做火烧馍馍了。
So what's this?
这个就是火烧馍馍。
Can I give it a try?
可以，可以。
Okay.
叫他跟着你一起抓个馍馍。就这样子，就这样子压。压，这样压。
This is really tiring. So I think I'm just gonna ask Popo to help me. This woman looks small, but she has a first-class bread-making skill. The dough is kneaded into a cake shape and then grilled on the brazier. In this way, the temperature of the fire gradually adheres to the cake and takes shape.
这个就是跟其他地方的一样，这也是我们这边的主食，在那个铁铲上面烧热以后，然后把它放在这个里面摆下来。
When the cake touches the fire and the earth, it has its original taste. So why don't you just use a different appliance? I mean, the oven or something like that. Why do you have to do it in this kind of like
现在呢，我们还是有很多现代化的工具了，但是今天呢，主要是想让你体验一下这个传统的制作过程。然后还有一个就是，我觉得我们在火塘边上，然后边聊天边吃点东西，那是一件很幸福的事情。来，拿着，这个要先拍3下，然后再吹。我们拿到外面去吃吧。
It's really good. It's really good. You know what? In my hometown, I also have something that is really similar to this, but it looks a little bit like this.
那么大。
Yeah. There is smoke and fire, warm and long. This place is so different from my hometown. Yet, it brings me the warmth and sense of security that are close to my hometown. As the sun sets, just like that, one day has passed, and the new surprise will be seen soon. Yesterday, I noticed that my friend's clothes are so beautiful, but we didn't have enough time to talk about it. So maybe now she can show me more a little bit about what she's wearing, and maybe something else. So let's go.
大母娘娘，这个是我那个外国来的朋友，他是墨西哥的，他叫克瑞斯，然后他对我们的丹巴的这个藏装啦，他就是感兴趣，他想看下这个是咋个做出来的。
好的，请坐。
Aye, this is really beautiful. Did you do it yourself? What's this?
这些呢，就是绣的是我们这山上的一种杜鹃花。
All those details are so pretty. And what's this? I am not really sure, so I'm just gonna ask Ayi.
整个中间这个呢，我就是设计的一个是花篮，花篮呢就是然后就加个这个手字呢，就是健康长寿。然后整个这个加了个银器呢，就本来就它是个高档的东西，加起这个银器呢，整个头发它就上档次了。这么个意思啊。你们墨西哥也有这个宝宝做完宝宝光的也不好看，我就又绣了一朵花，就这样子来的。
Yeah, it looks better with the flowers. Ayi, do you think that I can try out the dress?
可以，完全可以。我这个材质跟到这个配起这个藏绣，这个我制作了一套这个女王嫁衣。
I am already dressed up, and it's not just beautiful, but it's also really warm.
墨西哥姑娘穿我们丹巴的服装好漂亮啊
Thank you.
这个是大朋友，这些都是大朋友的这个哥哥，这个呢就是这个女王的这个耳环。这些我们把还是这个首饰要戴起，首饰戴起了，在我们这个丹巴这个贵族的女儿要嫁人了，就是要这样，然后就这样子，全部要戴起才好看。
Turns out that I wasn't ready yet. Now I also have like these colors and just this belt, this bag, and I can't wait to take so many pictures with this beautiful dress. Experience the feeling of wearing Danba Tibetan costume. If sum up in one word, it's magical. Although I didn't stay in Danba for a really long time, I think the time I was in here was enough for me to experience, to learn about the culture. And my friends in here were really, really warm, were really welcoming. And I just really hope that I can bring my family, I can bring my friends here to visit someday. There were so many beautiful places. Some of them even remind me to Mexico. And I was really happy. Definitely it's gonna be an experience that I'm just gonna like keep in my heart for a really, really long time. So thank you for everything that you show me. In Danba, I felt a kind of strong happiness, which is different from the past. This happiness comes from the thousands of years of inheritance, from the primitive and simple thinking of deep in the mountains, and from the idea of living in harmony with nature. I love Danba, and the days when I became Choma will be imprinted in my memory forever. It is worthy of being memorized, pondered, and heartwarmed. I think I am Choma.